she's loaded up. Alright, ready? Oh, she's already dripping.
Oh,
okay, yep. Whoa. Squirter. It's a lot of pee. Not that.
This is the captain speaking. Konnichiwa. Wow. Would you go away? Well, I do say it's Texas. We can do whatever we want. I got it. Happy adventure. Traveling the world. Konnichiwa. Now don't go that way. Cha-cha. So today we have a very special video. We're wearing our squad shirt today. That's right. Gotta support the ladies. The golden ladies. And none other than another L.O.L video, because we love them. We got some more Underwraps, and we got 2 of the different Underwraps. This is the Underwraps I Spy series, and we also have the, well, it also says I Spy, just a different person on it. So we're very excited. So let's get started, huh?
So here we are. We got ourselves, they went on sale today. Should we tell them the price?
Yes.
$5, guys, at Walmart.
Regularly 13.
That's right. Here's what you can see inside. And this little, what do you call it? Secret spy look-through window. It has secrets in there, as you can see. So we're going to get started. So let's open up each one of these. And as usual, each one comes with its special magnifying glass, as you can see.
Looks different. This
does look different, huh? It's glitter. That's right. What's it say here? It says, I want out.
Oh, I like it.
And we like these ones the best. Why?
They're more interactive.
Yes, the peel. It looks like this. And they look like peel containers versus the other ones. I'll show you what the other ones look like early in a minute. But these ones are a lot more funner. Don't forget to pull out your magnifying glass when you get yours out. Alright, so we got all the initial wrappers off. And I just realized if I put this on the screen, now you got the special code you can see. See? And now you can look at it like this. This is even easier. So you don't have to worry about holding it up. Any more codes you see? That's all I see. Just the message. It says I want out. So the second layer. This is a little harder. These are hard. There's just some scissors there that help. And that's the second layer. Let's see what this one says. It says, I think it says let's play. Let's play. So when you get to the third, these ones have 3 layers. That's when you get to the special code. And we're going to have to be separate, so you just realize that each one has special combinations that don't make. So this is what you want for this guy. And that's what you need right here. And this will be our special, put this here, there you go. That's what we're looking for.
So far I'm looking at these 2, and I'm going to assume that we might have the same dolls.
Uh-oh. We have similar ones. That's not good. We got in each code, it unlocks one of these special chambers. And there's chambers up on top. We can dial. There's 2. We open up this one and this one. And we've got a special code, a big code, that opens up this one. And then another 4th one that opens up this top one. So there's 4 total. Peace and the heart. Oh, that opened it. Oh, okay, so you've already opened yours and you got a little redhead one. And let's see if this one is the same.
Open mine too.
Yes. Oh, we got a similar one, guys. Okay. Same one. We got a double. That's okay. He's got she's got a fish, and I've got a sparkly girl. Let's see if they hopefully are different.
Another one, Egyptian.
Mine's a little different color, though. Let's see if they're different. Mine's a hot pink. We'll have to find out. So the combination was rainy cloud and sunshine.
And this piece of milk.
Oh, so they're both different codes. So we're about to unveil. So that's yours. You've got a, you have to bring it a little lower, I can't see it. So she's got a little girl with yellow hair. Oh, and I have a different one. So look, frizzy hair.
Might be within the same group.
That's true. Ooh, rainbow hair. Yeah, hi.
Yeah.
As you can see, we got 2 different kinds. There were 2 different colors. And that's what we got there, so. And they're both different, as you can see inside there. Let's see what's next. Alright, we're disappointed. We got 2 doubles. And this is a different one. Does this look like the other one? Yeah, it does. I don't know, we're gonna find out. So it's always good to start. For some reason, I notice the pattern's always the same. Start with the heart, the diamond, and the crown, and then work your way, rotate both together. It seems to be always the opposite of whatever the power is. I'm about to find out. There you go. So it's interesting because they seem to be the same combination every time. So start with sunshine, sunshine and rain, and then rotate it again. You should get crown and diamond, those go together. And then you should get fire and ice, and then you should get candy and lemon, and then you should get luck and little devil. And sure enough, the peace and the heart worked. Seems to work. Oh, she got a fish.
Got a fish. She is different.
Oh, good. We need a different one. Oh, she has brown hair. Oh, I like that one. Nice. We also discovered that the paper code is identical on all of them. So you don't, once you have one, you don't have to worry about it. They're not unique. So we're going to try that thing we just did. So if you start with, like I just said, the opposites of whatever they are. So let's start with fire and ice. Nope. And rotate it again. Candy and lemon. Nope. Luck and little devil. Heart. Oh, there he goes. See? So that's the best thing you can do. Always start with fire and ice. Start with fire and ice. Then rotate it up one. Oh, there's that one. Start with fire and ice. Oh, and fire and ice was that one. What do you know? We just broke the code. We figured out the code. Yes, start with fire and ice every single time. We're going to do it over here too. I'm going to prove that it works. So start with fire and ice. Where's fire and ice? Fire, ice. Alright, up. Nope. Okay, rotate them both up one. There it is. So turn it around. Fire and ice. Rotate it up one. Rotate it up one. Rotate it up one. Rotate it up one. There it is. Now down here. Fire and ice. So that's easy to remember. So in case you lose your little code thing, at least you know how to get into it. Rotate it up one. 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 There it is. Alright, that's good. And sure enough, that matches the code. So all these are unlocked. Alright, so we found out we're able to unlock the codes on each and every one of these. So very simple. Just start with fire and ice, like I said, and then the codes work. They unlock each one. Voila! So here's what we got in ours. Her head popped off for some reason. Well, of course, sippy cup. It says pop. Oh. Oh. Interesting. This goes on top of her head. It's really big. Oh. This one. It's 2 parts. Oh, how do you put this on? Gotta stretch it over. There. This one's tricky. There. Thank you. Oh, I don't have to. shoes. Little booties. This one kind of looks like Madonna. I think she's supposed to be like Madonna, this one. Oh wow. How do you... This one has, I guess these are bracelets or earrings. I'm not sure. We'll figure this one out. Yeah, I think she's kind of like Madonna.
I can't remember any of these we had.
Oh, she's got a necklace. No, these are all new ones. There she is. She's a singer. One. Living in a material world, 'cause I am a material girl. Living in a material world, 'cause I am a material
I'm a material.
girl. Alright, let's do this one. So this one is like a punk rocker looking one. And these little clothes they wear are really tight. Gotta pull them off. She's got little gloves. Let's dress this one first. Oh, she's like a birthday cake. I think she's gonna need pants because this thing's really... Wow, this is really tight. I gotta get her little hand in there. Yeah, let's hope she doesn't bend over because she doesn't have any pants.
Happy to dress.
And she doesn't close up in the back either. Yeah, I don't know how this one closes. It's supposed to connect right there, but yeah, this one's got a little breeze. Shoes, of course. Little pink ones, little pom-poms on the edge. There she is, little pom-poms. Oh, she's got little glasses. Let's look through her eyes. Ooh, what do you see? Let's give her glasses. Oh. Oh. I think she has pants. She's gonna need it. Okay, she doesn't come with any pants. Oh, here's her drink. She's got more of like a little sippy cup. So, there's this one. We got another one here. This one's a sporty one. That's a cool one. This is the one that came in the mermaid one?
Yes.
Oh, she's got little... she's got some neat little socks on.
Her name is Babe in the Woods.
Oh, that's cute. Now this one. She's Mummy. There. This is called her little mummy costume. Mummy. So whenever you open them, the one that packages with them usually is their clothes. So she came with, oh, she came with a little backpack, little angel hearts on it. Let's just put her clothes on. She came with a black one, which has a baby, what do you call it, bobbin on it. Oh, this one's a little different. She came with a two-piece. She's got a little leopard print. You gotta help force their little arms in there sometimes. There she goes.
Her name's As If Baby.
Oh, make sure this goes the right way. I guess the zipper goes in the back. Well, at least she's got pants, so that's good. And then she's got this cute little backpack that goes on her. So you gotta make sure it goes over her little arm. She's gonna be a little tricky. There. So in order to get it, you gotta pull it over. Pull it under. There. Now she's got little heart angel wings. Now don't forget her little... So she's like an Alicia Silverstone.
Yeah.
She's got little booties. Black and red booties. Let's put those on. There's her. Oh, this is one more item. Oh, she's got a passy. She's a baby?
That's what they meant by napping.
So let's see what we've got here. All the babies are here. And unfortunately, these are the only 4 unique ones we got. Now it's time to find out what each one of them do. So we must feed them. It's coming out of her head.
Yeah, she's just scared.
Oh, it's coming out of her ears. Does it come out of her ears?
Mm-hmm.
Oh! She squirted out of her ears. You see? Ah, she's squirting that way. Okay.
It's like getting steamed up.
Yeah, she's squirting in all directions. Okay, so this one, let's water out of her ears. Next one. Alright, ready?
No.
Oh, she's peeing.
Oh, goodness.
Yeah, she's peeing, alright.
She's only labeled as napping.
No, I peed. She peed. It came straight out. Still blowing air out. I'm sorry. I'm so embarrassed. It's okay. Go clean yourself. Alright, next one. Drink up. Drink your ketchup. Drink your milk. Drink your Starbucks. Frappuccino. Drink your soda pop. Alright, she's loaded up. Alright, ready? Oh, she's already dripping.
Oh, my goodness.
Okay, yep. Whoa. Squirter. It's a lot of pee. Not done. Wow. She needs someone to hold her hand. I think that's it. Alright. So magical. That explains why she didn't have pants. What's her name?
Good question. As if they... Oh, wait. She's a poo-free one?
Yeah.
Goody.
That's not so good. She needs a towel. Alright, last one. Lady Madonna. Have your ketchup. Soda pop. Milk. Strawberry. Alright, she's ready. Ready to show us what you're made of? Oh!
Where's the milk?
She spits.
Oh.
Blech. Blech. She went to the party and she had too much fun. Let's take this off. There you go. Hold her hair back. Blech.
She's a party girl.
Let's do some more. Blech. Ooh, she sneezed. She's sick too. Blech. 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 Yep, she's a spitter. Interesting. Let's clean that little mouth of yours. There you go. Now go back out there and sing. Sing your little heart out.
It's hot in the summer, but I dance for you. You like it? I said, you like it? Oh.